In crypto, there's something called a whale. A whale is someone with so much money that they could do whatever they want and move price in a way that will almost always wipe one of you out. And you've probably experienced it before. I don't know, you've seen some whales online, you've seen people moving hundreds of millions of dollars, and you probably always wonder, damn, how can I be like that guy? But what if I told you that the days of wanting to be like a whale are over and you can actually just be a whale now? And that's exactly what we're going to go over in today's video, because I have made something that's going to literally enable you to follow and copy what these whales are doing, so you never have to second guess a position again. And that brings us to today's episode, which is about whales and all of the whale watching that you need to do so you can understand exactly where the money is flowing and that you could literally follow the money. That's pretty much this whole episode. So let's talk about the whales for a second. What do they need to do? What is their mission? Well, their mission is to literally take your fucking money. That's just it, okay? The whale's entire job is to move the markets in whatever direction empties your bags, and this is really applying to a lot of the other episodes we've already talked about with X liquidity when it comes to, you know, the liquidations that we see, when it comes to levels. It's all coordinated, but it's all coordinated by the manipulators of this game, which is the whales. And the reality of this is if we're at tops, right, they need you to buy so they can exit, right? They need your panic to enter their positions. It's the same thing every single cycle. It doesn't matter what time of year it is. The whales are always active, and they are always going to make money, probably over a majority of you. But being this big comes with a weakness that they can't fix, and that's the reality is that everything on the blockchain is public. You can literally follow everything that you see on the blockchain, meaning that you can almost never be private here, which is awesome for us, bad for them, but it also creates a reality where most people just don't understand like majority of this stuff, right? They don't understand how to follow the whales. They don't understand how to copy it. A lot of this just looks like mumbo jumbo, right? And that's where I fixed it for you, my friends. I've made your life a ton easier. Okay, let's talk about it, right? So I want you guys to go on your app market mirror. I'll open it up with you. Hold on. So I want you to open your app market mirror, and once you log on, you'll see something called the market pulse, right? This is kind of pulling from everything, but a little bit below that, you can see whale buy and whale sell for the last 24 hours. Right now, we're kind of 50-50, right? There's been an equal amount of buys, equal amount of sells, which makes sense because the market hasn't really done anything. But what you'll see during, you know, peak times is this is really drastic, right? Sometimes it's like 80% buy on whales, 20% sell, or vice versa. You can really get a read on what's happening with the whales just by looking at this. But what's really cool is if you look at the very bottom, we have a little whale icon. Now, this is a complete tab dedicated to tracking exactly what the whales are doing. And at the top, you have something called whale sentiment. You got their buy volume, sell volume. You also have some little counters that we'll talk about in a second. And then you just got a whole slew of transactions where you can see what they're buying or selling in real time. This is fascinating stuff for most people because, again, they don't understand. You probably, even some of you watching this video, didn't even know that stuff like this is possible. And I wanted to go through this so you can, I really wanted to break it down so you guys can understand before we get into this. So you really need to read the transfer to know what's happening. So for example, an unknown wallet to unknown wallet is whale movement. That is just, you know, shuffling between their wallets. That's absolutely it. There's nothing novel to it. And then you got exchange to exchange. So for example, you'll see like a Coinbase to Coinbase transaction right here. That's just them shifting money from one exchange wallet to another wallet. It's nothing really trivial there. Again, you got to also understand, just a real quick sidebar, that these whales have dozens and dozens and dozens of wallets. Unlike you, which probably owns one or two, right? These whales have a whole network of wallets that they're using because they try to shuffle their money around to be as incognito or untraceable as they can. But again, I fucking fixed that shit. And then you got exchange to unknown wallet, which is a potential buy. So you can see right here on the app, you got crack into unknown wallet. That's an exchange going to an unknown wallet that is offloading their money. That is pulling coins into their own wallet so they don't hold it on exchange. And then you got an unknown wallet to an exchange. This is a potential sell. These people are loading their coins onto an exchange, most likely to sell or swap for a coin, which is also a sell. So that is all you need to know about the little labels that you're seeing right here. Just so you understand, you got your whale movements, your transfers, your potential sells, and your potential buys. It's very important to understand that because things get a little crazy going here in a minute. But first I wanted to talk about it because whales do sell in sync. They buy in sync as well. You're seeing it right now at the bottom. But you need to know this real quick. The exchange inflows spike before the move. Now what I mean by that is, you know, for example, when we're at top again, right? When we're at all-time highs, you can pay attention to market mirror and see exactly what I'm talking about. But you'll see a lot of, you know, whales sending money to these crypto exchanges to end up offloading their money, unloading their money, whatever you want to say. They're selling. They're going to sell in sync, and it always happens at the top. So maybe that's like at 115,000, then 120,000, then 125, like we had recently. You'll see that a lot of whales will end up putting their money on exchanges, and maybe they won't sell, but they'll keep it there. And then once everything just starts going tits up, they all sell in sync. It's actually fucking incredible. And again, a lot of you probably didn't know that you could even do stuff like this, but you can now. And that's what leads us to the best part. And you could literally follow what these whales are doing. You can copy their wallets as well. So yeah, on Market Mirror, you can click the wallet, you can follow wherever they're going. So for this example, I don't know, let's do, which one should we do right here? I don't know, this Dogecoin buy right here is pretty interesting. Let's look at this one. So this Doge has a well movement of 700,000 Dogecoin that they're sending from a wallet to another unknown wallet. And then you can see down here, it says copy trade, where you could view the sender portfolio and also the receiver portfolio. You can click whatever one you want. I'm going to click the receiver one right here. And when you enter the whale's wallet, you can see right here that it's already moved that money. So going back to that point that I just made a couple minutes ago, where I said, you know, the whales have dozens of wallets. This is all they're doing. This is exactly what I mean. They're shuffling their money around, you know, pretty much all the time. And that's where having a software like this come into play, where you can literally follow it, copy it, save that wallet, pay attention to whatever it's doing, comes in clutch, because again, some of these might be bots kind of sending the money around, just shuffling things around, making it hard to follow. All you got to do on Market Mirror is click follow the money. And once you click follow the money, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So he had $700,000 of Doge in the beginning. As you can see, he's sending it to this wallet with $1.6 million in Doge. And if you scroll down a little bit more, you can see all the on-chain data, but you also see the whale web, which shows you that it's pretty much just sending money around. If you click this wallet right here, you can see another one connected to this address. So there's no balance in this shit. It's all gone. So this wallet's empty. Another wallet connected to this address has $700. So it really does seem like they're just sending all that money to that big wallet. And would you look at that? If you go a little bit deeper in the whale web, I stumbled upon this wallet that has 24 million Dogecoin in it. It's not an exchange wallet or any of that stuff, but it does have so much Doge in this, which shows me that this is a big fucking Doge whale that I can follow. So again, you could literally just go through the transactions, see where that money is getting sent to and where it's coming from, and you can have a better idea at what this whale is actually doing. This whale's holding a fuck ton of shit, but that's not where the fun ends. Okay, so once you find the whale that you want to track, right, and say, like I said, it's selling or it's moving money around, anyways, you just want to pay attention to what it's doing, then you can click this little up-down arrow right here, and there's a save button in the top right that you can click save. Now I'm going to title this Doge Wallet. Right, and then I can click save, and it's going to sit there whenever I want to, you know, view a wallet or whatever. I can always come back to the wallet that I just viewed. So you never lose it is what I'm trying to say. You could always be here and follow whatever whale that you want. But yeah, for a whale like this is actually very impressive. It's actually extremely impressive. And like I said, you could do this for every single whale on here. And it's so insane because, again, you can see at the tops and bottoms what's actually happening. Right now, there's a lot of money being shuffled around. There's not a lot of buys or sells in the last 24 hours. It's very even. Right? So we are kind of sitting in that chop zone like I was talking about. But this section shows you what the big wallets are doing in real time. This is not rumors. This is not people like me guessing. You can see the movements as they land on chain, and it's all at the tip of your fingers. And like I talked about, you can click through, you can track, you can trade, you can even copy some of these wallets if you want. We also have something called the accumulation trend on here, which is, in my opinion, so powerful because you can see the net selling or the net buying of the last day. So you can see we've been really battling for the last 7 days. We have 500 million in net outflows, which is net sells. And there's roughly been around the same amount of buys and sells for crypto. You go to the 30 days, the same thing, negative 85 million. But that's not all that we have in terms of whale tracking. If you go, you could go see the whale trade section, which is this. It's a live order book, and I'll just keep this playing on the side so you guys can see. It'll show you exactly what the whales are selling in real time and buying as well. So Solana, XRP, Ethereum, doesn't matter what it is. If it comes in, you'll see it right here. As you can see, it's already updating. You got a Bitcoin buy at $440,000. So you can either go to the live section, the 6 hour, the 12 hour, the 24, and you can see exactly what's happening. So as I've mentioned a couple times in this episode, last couple days have been really choppy. So for the last 24 hours, there's been equal amount of buys and sells, but what you'll see at tops or bottoms, or even in a period where we're just about to rip, is it's very one-sided, right? Whales are just overwhelmingly on one position, right? On sells or buys. And it gives you an idea, okay, hey, all these whales are doing this one thing. I should be doing the same. And you'll kind of see some really crazy trades on here, whether that be a whale open, you know, a massive long or a massive short at the very top, or, you know, collectively just a lot of smaller whales kind of pushing price in the direction that they want to go. You can see it right here in real time. And I wanted to mention, the bigger the bubble, the bigger the trade. If you keep scrolling down, for example, on the live, the smaller the bubble, the smaller the trade. So it kind of gives you a visual idea. You know, once you see a bigger bubble, that's the biggest trade. Something I thought would be pretty useful. But again, that's not all that we have on the app in terms of following the whales. Because again, the tagline is trade like a whale, follow the whales. And we wouldn't be following the whales if you couldn't see all the famous motherfuckers in crypto. This is where whale wallets come into play, because you could literally see every single major person that's holding crypto, and you can follow their wallets as well. You can see exactly what they're doing. For example, you got Vitalik Buterin. Shows his recent activity. He sold 17,000 ETH in February. You got the US government. I mean, they surprisingly hold crypto as well. You got Tesla's holdings, which again is so shocking because they actually do still hold Bitcoin to this day. And you can see some of the countries and some of the other people as well, but it is really interesting because, again, you could just see everything in one single spot, and you don't have to guess, you don't have to Google anything, you don't have to go anywhere else. You got it all in the app. It's very useful. So yeah, you got the whale wallet section, which is the biggest names. You can track them. You can see what they hold, when they moved, and when. So the top whale trades surface for you. That's the highest, biggest moves that we have in the last 24 hours to really, honestly, if you're including this is the last 30 days. And you can build your own watch list, which you can save up to 25 wallets. It's very cool. Guys, I would be lying to you if I said I'm not absolutely just mentally fried right now. Dude, some days it's just like this. Bro, I know some of you can relate, dude. I have major ADHD. And oh my God, some days are just absolutely brutal days. Some days I could talk really well. Some days I can't. Some days I'm just super focused. It's just so crazy because I've been talking about these same tools that I'm showing you right here in these videos for probably 5 years now. And I've made it so simple, you know what I mean? I've genuinely made it so simple. To do what I'm showing you right here would have taken you probably 5 or 6 different subscriptions online. Swear to God, right? Whale alerts, following everything that they're doing, different Twitter accounts, right? We literally, when I first started this channel, even in the automation program, which by the way, automation program, if you're new, we automate all these plays to your account. You never have to trade again. It's pretty fucking crazy. I'll just keep throwing these shits up on here. It's just pretty nuts, man. I can sit here all day. But anyways, when I started that, it was insane the amount of stuff that we had to use to even get a good result in trading. And it really is just mind-blowing. Like, I still have a hard time, believing that we actually made this shit, I've literally made the dream crypto app that has everything on it. And it's just still, it doesn't feel real. We're only 2 months into it, too. So it's just kind of one of those things where it still hasn't really hit me yet. It's been a blast. I really do believe in this product. And we are going so much further with this shit. I just wanted to say that, man. Like, when I was envisioning this series and what I was going to do with it, because I wanted to do this a couple years ago, I just had so many ideas on how there was so much shit to talk about in terms of like softwares you had to use. And I've just simplified it so much that it's honestly kind of crazy. You know what I mean? I don't know. It's just something I'm thinking about right now as we're going through this. But that's not it. Because again, if you go down to your widgets, right, you can see a lot of different things that we have on here. So we have market replay, which shows you what the whales or what any big events have in the last 24 hours. You got the Trump indicator. Arguably the biggest whale that matters right now is Trump. It's genuinely crazy what he's doing to this market. I don't have to explain it. You got your macro calendar, shows you all the high risk news. You got Trump trades, which you could legitimately see what Trump is trading. Again, massive whale that is outsider trading right now. I don't really know the best way to describe it. You got your, you got your top 3 whale trades. Where is that at? Oh, you got your whale mood. You got your whale activity heat map. You got your top 3 whale trades. You got a lot of goodies on here, and you could literally see exactly what Trump is doing, for example, right? So you can see that he is actually a little bit down on some of these positions, but he's done an estimated $220 to $750 million in transactions with 3,600 total trades. Is just insane. Here on the whale activity heat map, you can see, what coins are red for like the last 100 trades. This will change constantly. And then for the top 3 whale trades, this is what the biggest whale trades in the last 24 hours were. Again, super insane because sometimes you'll see like $70 million trade. It's insane sometimes. These are a little bit more mellow. These are like, 14 million, 10 million, 10 million. Sometimes it gets crazy. And then you got your whale mood, which this will tell you like, in a 24-hour period, if they're evenly split, if they're leaning buy side, if they're leaning sell side. Very useful stuff. We also have something called whale positions, which is in real time, like actual trades from real traders as well. This is a little bit different because it shows you the exact entry and, the average entry, the leverage that they're possibly using. It's pretty crazy. Right now, there's a negative $49 million in this market with 2,600 long and 3,700 shorts. You can click all the positions and see exactly what these people are making. Some of these are actually crazy. 32,000 profit, 116 profit, 2.9 million on a short. Like, could you imagine like opening that and holding a $2.9 million short, $800,000 short, another $800,000 short? It is insane the money that you see, but this will give you an idea in real time at what other whales are trading, and you can kind of copy them in a way. But yeah, that is the whale watching playbook. Really, honestly, I know it seems pretty simple, and it is. Again, originally, if I were to make this series a couple years ago, I would have had to show you 5 different softwares to use to get even roughly the same picture that we got here. But it really is very simple. Download the app, see what the whales are doing, follow them, copy them. That's it. There's no novelty to it. It is very easy, albeit, but yeah, decode every big transfer. So look at the exchange type, look at if it's a potential buy, potential sell, follow the wallet, copy the wallet. You can verify it by clicking through. You can watch the inflows at extremes, right? So all the stuff is going to be here, and copy all these wallets. That's all you got to do. So that is the whale watching section. again, I really wanted to make an app that I think accomplished a lot of the stuff that I'm talking about, and I think I really have made this so much easier for you. And I do hope you enjoy what we've made. I've gotten a lot of great reviews on this, and it's just been an incredible thing to experience, because I've never ever launched something at this scale. It's been really awesome to see your guys' feedback and the improvements we've made. We have so much stuff coming, guys. I can't even begin to describe what we have planned. But yeah, I guess at the end of this, you just need to remember one thing. These motherfuckers are out to get you. They're out to hunt you. They're going to eat you for lunch. And yeah, you can now hunt them back and follow everything that they're doing, so you can at least mitigate some of the damage. You know what I mean? It's so much better when you're on this side versus the side of the unknown, not paying attention, not really understanding what's going on. I can promise you that. So yeah, we're going to talk about fear and greed and a lot of other stuff next. You want all the tools in this, right? Just go on Market Mirror. You got all the stuff I just showed you. And then if you want all these plays automated, you want to skip trading, you're done, right? Or even if you just want help, then DM us Crypto on Instagram. We post all of our trades and we automate them all there. So anytime we buy or sell anything on our end, it's done on your end and you never have to trade again. That is it, my friends. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in episode 9. Wait, episode 10. Holy shit. Yeah, we're 10 episodes into this. So I'll see you guys in episode 10. I love you so much. Take care and stay tuned.